If you like my videos, please subscribe, please put a like, and please ring that bell. Ring the bell. Okay. Hi people, it's Nettie again. Okay. If you hear me a little horsey, is because change of climate. It causes cold, it causes throat problems, and having a lot of throat problems. Last night I couldn't hardly sleep. I caught a fever also, and my granddaughters are the same. My daughter just got it because the two girls are hers, But how you call it? I haven't done videos because of that. I've been sick. I've been weak. So today I decided, even though I didn't feel like it, I said, no, I got to get out of video. And I wanted to do something. As you see, 10 aloe veras here. Let me show you on the other side. Okay, I put, there's another 10 more here. I've been putting it here as they grow. The most smallest one is somewhere there. Can't even see it. I don't want to move in too much because, oh yeah, right. Let me see if you can see it right there. Right there, right there, right there. Right there. Okay, so moving it over here because I need the canister where they were at, and I'll tell you why. Okay, here I'm gonna grow garlic right here, and see if they grow here. I got that LED light in the balcony. That's why the plants grow, even though they don't get hardly sun, but they get plenty of daylight, and they get at night they get the LED lights. So that's how they're surviving. So today I'm gonna plant garlic. Yeah, it's already November, but at daytime it's kind of cool, not bad. Nighttime it gets pretty cold. So I just took them out of the refrigerator. I'm gonna plant them, and I'll be right back because I'm gonna clean them out and then put them in there. Okay people, so I've been planting. I have left it halfway out, as you can see, because then I forget. You know how forgetful I am. And this one, since it's a small one, I put it in between both of them. I think that he's gonna have a lot of space there, and I think so. I don't know. I should put it, wait, not there. Let me put it right here. Yeah, there she got more space, and this one got more space, and everybody got space. Okay, so this is just good dirt, so it's very easy to pull it down. You don't have no problem pushing it because how you call it? I think I'm gonna get more garlic. I think I took a little bit. So I'm gonna probably get more garlic. I'm gonna fill this whole thing of garlic. Hopefully that at least one of them grows. I've been trying to grow garlics for the longest. Like coriander, I finally got my coriander going. My basil, I lost my basil, and I call it with Maria. I left them outside. I forgot to take them out, and I remember just not long ago when I said, "Man, how come I don't have no basil? I used to have so much basil." Then I remember I took them outside. They were big, so I took them outside. I didn't expect that the tree was going to kill everything in there, So, and this mama. These aloe vera, one of them was saved, which is the mama. She was saved because she was in a corner that the tree did not touch her. And what I did was I took it out, and look how much we got: 10 biggies and 10 babies over here, and plus we got another 5 small little teensy baby. Then I'm waiting for it to grow up a little more to put it in the other canister where the babies are, the teenage babies. So they're on the other side. So I'm just gonna do this, and I'll let you know what I'm gonna do next. Okay, so I did the whole thing already, as you can see. There, I covered it up already. I counted 31 garlic. So I don't know if they're gonna grow or not. But I'm gonna water them because it hasn't taken water since I took out the plants from there. and separated the aloe veras. So that was just there, So, but it was, it was good dirt, because either way it felt still moist and it wasn't all hard or anything like that. So I'm gonna add a little more dirt on top of it and then water it down. Okay, to finish it off, I put this in here. Why? Because of the chickens. If they know that thing, they see this empty, they gotta go in here. I'm gonna also put something in the corners, this corner, because they're still too wide. So I just gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I was thinking of putting, I have these metal strings. I was thinking of putting it there, tie it up somehow, and on the other side, the same as over here, do the same thing, just to make sure that they don't go in, And now I'm just gonna wait for it to grow. So that's all I have to say. And nobody has told me what's the creature's name. I'm still waiting for the creature's name. So God bless you all. Until next time.